is not dependent upon him. His father was an employee of Kolkata police and he earns a pension.
Brother?
His brother is independent. He is
per month. What do you pay to your driver, sir? What do you pay to the domestic helps in total?
To husband's affidavit of assets at page 8.
Yes.
For government contractual service, computer supervisor, administrative officer, Kolkata Police Directorate, 43,600, column 1. Lordship kindly comes next. Perquisites and other benefits. The entire thing, Lordship turns the page. He says gas, electricity, water, all perquisites 43,400. So it comes up to 86,000, around 87,000. But he claims that his total.
Where are the deductions? His deductions?
His deduction he has not shown.
Has he given any income slip?
Yes, he has given. Lordship kindly comes to page
35.
No, his salary slip is at page 39. Though it is of 29th November 2024, not of the month preceding the affidavit, it shows earning 43,600. It does not show the perquisites.
Deductions are not shown here. Has he stated anywhere about the deductions?
Deductions, my lord, professional tax 200 only.
Income tax?
Income tax.
He pays separately. He has given anything to show?
Yes, IT return at page 35. Of assessment, last assessment year 24-25, where he shows his gross salary 551,700 and no deductions of TDS. It's not coming. Lordship, in affidavit of assets,
what are these deductions? Tax on employment and standard deduction?
The standard deduction is 50,000. That is usually not deducted. That is goes from the salary itself.
So that cannot be a part of his income.
No, that cannot be part of his income. And second, that 2,600, I think, is the 200 rupees professional tax which is being deducted.
So this is yearly.
This is annual.
Annual about 50,000, 52,000.
Yes, my lord. And Lordship kindly comes to his expenditure which he had shown, page 13.
So per month it comes to about
50,000. If I
per month.
Per month.
No. Per month the deduction will be what?
Per month the deduction will be
4,300.
So it will
a little more than 4,000.
47,000 net.
No, it's about 43,000 deduction. So even then 44,000 net.
45,000 it comes. Then Lordship kindly comes to his expenditure at page 13 of his affidavit of assets.
Now you say his divorce suit was dismissed, right?
Dismissed.
Yes, page 13.
Page 13, he claims that he is staying in a rental accommodation, paying 10,000 rent, no documents annexed. Then household expenditure 15,000. He claims, I don't know, that I cannot dispute at this stage. But then he separately has shown gas, telephone, TV, cable, etc. And then at page 15, insurance, he says, life insurance, he pays about 5,229. And Lordship kindly turns, he has shown an expenditure of 28,966 at page 16. Extra amount paid by state government and his total expenditure is 53,149. His income is 44,000. His expenditure is 53,000. And this he includes 28,966 extra amount paid by state government. Lordship, kindly.
Yes.
This is the document forfeiture of remuneration for the period 3rd February 2016 to 31st March 2016. Only one time way back in 2016 that he has shown his regular expenditure for 52 days, for 58 days remuneration which he had extra drawn. That was deducted then.
Yes.
And Lordship, then he claims that he is unwell, medical expenditure. His mother is unwell for that medical expenditure. His brother is unwell, the medical expenditure. And the entire about 100 pages medical documents have been produced. I have gone through them. Lordship kindly says, sonographic study reveals no abnormality.
Significant. There was insignificant abnormality.
Then Lordship kindly comes to page 31 at the bottom, impression, fatty liver. One presumes the reason for that, and that was one of my allegations.
No. Fatty liver can occur due to
Yes, but that one of the reason maybe.
fatty liver can occur due to various.
And then page 45 to 47.
What are these?
Orthopedic prescriptions way back of 2014.
His family, the rest of his family, who are unwell also.
No, for him, his own. But these are of 2014.
Let us hear him. Yes. Yes.
And Lordship, 2 more minutes.
Yes.
His mother is not dependent upon him. His father was an employee of Kolkata police and he earns a pension.
Brother?
His brother is independent. I am instructed that he has got political influences there. He acts as a developer. And he's self-employed. And he's 42 years old. Claim is he is epileptic. These are my humble submissions, Lordship. Lordship has seen my detailed expenditure.
He has made. That has to be cross-checked, my lord, because the points, my lord, that 20,966, the expenditure which has been shown, and the, my lord, the income. My lord, first make a submission on the.
How do you cross-check? You have the
No, my lord,
papers?
I have cross-checked, my lord, because there is some mistakes. Apparent mistakes are there, my lord. I can see, my lord.
We can see two things. We'll be very specific.
Yes, my lord.
43,600 is your admitted salary.
Yes.
43,400 you are getting as perquisites.
Yes. No, my lord. That is, my lord, the difficulty.
Tell us why not.
I cannot show, my lord. There's a simple mistake. It has written the same thing. My lord, my junior might have mistaken that the same has been written. It has to be as.
No, it's not the same. It's 43,600 and the other is 43,400.
Yes.
It's on oath.
Yes, it's on oath, my lord. Only difficulty, my lord, it has to be the same one. Otherwise, my lord, the net salary which I have annexed, my lord, that is admitted fact.
Perquisites are not shown in salary. Holiday expenses, pre-concessional loans. It is very specific, Mr. Dattu.
Yes,
Not just a wayward comment.
No, it shouldn't
The
have
head
been
said-
filled up.
No, it's under a specific head. Perquisites and other benefits, including accommodation, cars, automotive, sweeper, gardener, watchman, personal attendant, gas, electricity, water, interest-free or concessional loans, holiday expenses, so many things. Mistake of a junior. Don't put it on your junior.
Not I'm putting it on.
First of all, put it on yourself.
Yes.
And why on yourself also? Put it on your client because he earns this amount.
Yes. No, my lord. I say, my lord, kindly see the 43,400. Can you see serial number 1 of part 4, the statement of income? That is his net salary is 43,600
Yes.
and 200 million is prerequisites.
200, forget. We give you the 200.
43,400.
It's under the head perquisites. It's a different head.
It's a different head. It shouldn't have been.
No, you cannot have.
Well, because there is no
You
statement.
should have grown wiser. You should have then filed a supplementary affidavit or given an advance copy to them. At this stage, at the hearing stage, we won't permit you to change this. Sorry.
Only,
You have an autistic child. You have to take care of him.
well, that is, my lord, on
The wife earns
facts.
nothing. She's hand to mouth. And your brother and your mother can take care of themselves.
No, there are. I have annexed
Everybody's
documents,
mother and
mother
brother become sick when they have to pay alimony.
that
So
is-
we are aware of that. So let them fend for themselves.
But my lord, the income
Your total
is, my
income
lord,
we find is around 87,000, including the perquisites. And After that deduction of
Kindly see,
44,
there is no document we have annexed.
that's your
We
problem.
couldn't have.
That's your
We
problem.
couldn't have.
Perquisites, what documents will you annex? Perquisites are not shown.
Not sure, no, because I don't receive.
If
my lord.
Kolkata police starts to show perquisites of their people,
is-
then it will be
that
very
is true.
difficult
It is true.
because our money is also there.
That is true. My lord.
It's not a general comment,
That is true.
but
My lord,
it's difficult. We're not so gullible that you don't have any perquisites. The carpets of the CP office is much, I mean, better than any Supreme Court judge's office. Do you know that? But this is hearsay for us. So let us not go on this. Pay her 44,000 is your net income. 87,000 minus we have given taken out that 43,000 because obviously we were spending that. So 44,000 out of that, around 1/3 comes to something around 14,000. 14,000 for the wife, 6,000 for your autistic son, 20,000 per month you pay to. You expected more.
No,
You should increase a bit.
not at all. No, my lord, my lord, might kindly see, my lord, she has claimed that I
Your
earned
claim is
85,000.
35,000 for both of you. We cannot exceed that. We'll grant a 35.
No, 35,000. Because my lord, 43,000 is his net income. He cannot. He has a loan also. My lord, 10,000 loan. I have annexed that document also.
Loan is not a standard deduction.
No, my lord, no, because I cannot. I eventually I have to pay, my lord. And suppose, my lord, only, my lord,
Beg
this.
still borrow.
Yes, my lord.
Beg still borrow. Language not of us, wiser heads. That principle is still standing.
Lordship, my lord.
If she was with you with the autistic son, you would have to pay this amount, sir.
Yes,
You'd
my
have
lord.
to pay this amount.
But my lord, she left
A lady,
long time back.
a lady,
And my lord,
a lady is not even entitled to rupees 14,000 per month. What do you pay to your driver, sir? What do you pay to the domestic helps in total? Have you ascertained? Go and ascertain from your whoever is in charge of your home. 14,000 per month. For a lady, the stature has to be commensurate. You are a computer supervisor with the Kolkata Police, the commissioner's office.
no, that is a
Her stature has to be commensurate with you. 14,000 per month we are granting. This is a pittance. And 6,000, what will she do with that? She should treat her son with that 6,000 per month. And he's suffering from autism. Come on. So it comes to 14 plus 6.